Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Airtable SSO with Okta, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the workspace settings by clicking on your workspace name. Select the Authentication tab on the left sidebar. Look for the Single Sign-On SSO section. Click on the Enable SSO button. Now, open a new tab and log into your Okta administrator account. From the Okta dashboard, go to the Applications menu. Choose Add Application to create a new application for Airtable. In the search box, type Airtable and select it. Click on Add to proceed with the configuration. Fill in the application name as Airtable SSO. Configure the sign-in redirect URI as provided by the Airtable SSO settings. You may also need to enter the sign-out redirect URI according to your configuration in Airtable. Next, set up the groups and assignments based on your organization's needs. Click on Next to navigate through the application configuration. In the SSO settings, select SAML 2.0 as the sign-on method. You will now need to input several required fields. Locate the audience URI from your Airtable SSO settings and copy it to the Okta configuration. In Okta, paste the audience URI in the Audience URI SP Entity ID field. Next, go back to Airtable and copy the SSO URL provided. Paste this URL in the Single Sign-On URL field in Okta. Now, copy the X.509 certificate from the Airtable SSO settings. Paste it into the X.509 certificate field in your Okta application. After all fields are filled, click Finish to save your application settings in Okta. Return to Airtable and click Save Changes at the bottom of the SSO section. To test the SSO, log out of your Airtable account. Go to the Airtable login page and select Login with SSO. You will be redirected to the Okta login page. Enter your Okta credentials to log in. Upon successful authentication, you should be directed back to your Airtable account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.